guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amal and in this video I'm going to be giving you a tour of LATT LIV. Just as I said, I'm here with another exciting vlog. So if you're new to my channel, smash the like button, hit the notification bell and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to share my videos. So if you're interested, keep on watching and yeah, now we're going to start. कहाँ पे बोलूँ कुछ तो गाइज अब हम लैट लिव आ चुके हैं एंड यस दिस इज द dishes, the glasses, and here we have the skipping ropes and thingies. We have some really cute bottles, glass cups, yeah. We have some toys for children and we have some scents. So this is the sunglasses corner. I hope मेरी आवाज़ clear आ रही है. Yes. बोला ही नहीं जा रहा यार. Here we have all of the hats, yes, and the towels, mats, thingies. We have some really cute bags, hand carries. So we have the toothbrush corner type thingy. Yes, we have some cups, skipping rope, exercise thingies. We have these beauty products. Really cute mirrors. Look how cute they are. Big mirrors, pocket mirrors. We have combs, we have brushes, we have more combs. And so guys, this is how much I could really vlog at LATT LIV because they said that vlogging was not allowed and it is kind of sad, like, yeah. And I couldn't really show you like proper clips. These were the clips I showed you were like the proper ones. I could like show you what I like saw and explained it, what corner it was, what was not, and yeah. And guys, if you want me to do more vlogs like this, comment down below. And I also couldn't like show you what I got. Yeah, I couldn't because they said not to vlog, so I didn't really vlog much. They were like 2-minute clips I showed to you guys. So this was actually it for my video. I know it's a short video, it's like a vlog. I kind of want to give you like a quick update. So if you like my videos, smash the like button, hit the notification bell, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share. So I'm gonna catch you in the next video. So if you're interested, bye bye.